Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a simple home-style dish, stir-fried shiitake mushrooms with potato slices. It's quick, it's tasty, and perfect for when you come home from work and just want dinner on the table fast. Here are some shiitake mushrooms. Just slice them up. Next, grab a potato. Slice it nice and even, so they cook evenly. Once they are cut, drop them into a bowl of water. For the protein, I'm using some skinless pork belly. Slice it up thin so it cooks quickly. And for veggies, chop up some green peppers, red peppers, and onions into bite-sized pieces. We will also need some chopped scallions and minced garlic for extra flavor. All the amounts are listed in the description box below, so you can check them out later. Bring a wok of water to a boil. Toss in the potato slices, along with about 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. This keeps the potatoes nice and crisp. Once it's boiled again, take them out. Now, heat some oil in the wok. In goes the pork belly. We are rendering out a bit of that fat. Once it changes the color, add the scallions and stir until it smells amazing. Next, add the potatoes and the mushrooms back in. Give them a quick toss to get rid of any excess moisture. Now add in the green peppers, red peppers, and onions. Keep that spatula moving. Drizzle in 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce around the edge of the wok, and half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce for color. Season with 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of MSG, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Stir everything so the flavors come together. Now toss in the minced garlic. Mix it through, and right before we are done, drizzle about 1.5 tablespoons of aged vinegar around the wok. Quick stir, and that's it, ready to plate. Wow, smells incredible. You can see how glossy and colorful it is. The garlic aroma is strong, and this is one of those dishes that just begs for a big bowl of rice. Let me take a bite. Oh, the potatoes and mushrooms are even more fragrant than the pork. With this dish, 2 bowls of rice, no problem. You've got to try this one at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.